Question number 51. If sin A plus root 3 cos A equal to 2 and 2 cos square B equal to 3 cos B minus 1, where 0 less than B less than 90, then the value of A comma B, it should be I think A comma B. What is the value of root 3 into cos A plus sin B? Here we have to check whether any value of A satisfies the given equation. Which value is satisfying the given equation? For example, if A is, here root 3 is given. For example, if we select a value in cos which includes root 3, so that is cos 30. Cos 30, sin 30 is 1 by 2, cos 30 is root 3 by 2, that is 3, total 4 by 2 gives 2. So A is nothing but 30 degrees. What about B? If it is 60, for example, if it is 60, cos 60 is 1 by 2, 1 by 2 whole square is 1 by 4, 2 into 1 by 4 gives 1 by 2. What about this? 3 into 1 by 2 minus 1, that is also 1 by 2. Therefore, B is equal to 60. A 30, B is 60. Therefore, the answer will be root 3 into cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Sin 60 is also root 3 by 2. That is 2 root 3, that is root 3. This is root 3, root 3 into root 3, 3, option 2. Next. A man is standing on the deck of a ship which is 8 meters above water level of the lake. He observes the angle of elevation of the cloud as 30 degrees and the angle of depression of the image of the cloud in the lake as 60 degrees. Find the height of the cloud. If it is the water level, he is at a height of 8 meters from the water level. From this place he is observing a cloud. This is the cloud. The angle of elevation is 30 degrees. As this is water, he can see the image of the cloud also. So the image of the cloud is making an angle of 60 degrees. Then what is the height of the cloud? That is h is equal to d into sine beta plus alpha by sine beta minus alpha. This is the formula. Sine beta plus alpha by sine beta minus alpha. That is 8 into sine beta plus alpha is sine 90, sine 91, sine beta minus alpha, sine 30, 1 by 2. So answer is 16. హైట్స్ అండ్ డిస్టెన్స్లో ఒక 4 ఫార్ములాస్ ఉన్నాయండి, 4-5 ఉన్నాయి మ్యాక్సిమం అంతే. రూట్ ఆఫ్ ఏబి ఒకటి, హెచ్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు డి బై కాట్ థీటా 1 మైనస్ కాట్ థీటా 2 ఒకటి, హెచ్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు డి బై కాట్ థీటా 1 ప్లస్ కాట్ థీటా 2 ఒకటి, క్యాపిటల్ హెచ్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు హెచ్ ఇంటూ కాట్ థీటా బై కాట్ థీటా 1 మైనస్ కాట్ థీటా 2 ఒకటి, ఇదొకటి ఇలా. నెక్స్ట్, a mixture contains milk and water. When 30 liters of milk is added to the mixture, then now the quantity of the milk becomes 3/5 of the total mixture. 3/5 of the total mixture means 3 parts. If 3 parts is milk, 5 parts is the total, means water will be 2 parts, 3:2. Initial ratio 5:4. Initial 5:4. This can be written as 6:4. 6:4. Water is not disturbed. So 30 liters of milk is added. Therefore 1 part is equal to 30. Therefore what is the initial quantity of the mixture? 9 parts. 270. in the given figure, tangent SP touches the circle at Q such that NQP is 60 degrees. NQP is 60 degrees. If NQP is 60 degrees, you know alternate segment theorem. So then the angle here will also be 60 degrees. 60 degrees. Then, and one more thing, MQ is 10. Meer observe cheste. And one more thing is M and Q is 30. This is 30. నేను ఇక్కడ వేస్తానండి ఫిగర్. ఇలా ఉంది. ఇది 60 because this is 60 and given that this is 30, therefore this should be 90. Right angle triangle and it is 10. NQ is 24. Then MN should be. In the right angle triangle, the combination 10, 24, 26, 5, 12, 13, 5, 12, 13, 10, 24, 26. So, the length of MN should be 26. NT is 16. Therefore, this should be 10, isn't it? And what about QT is 20. He is asking for RT. If you observe the cards 10 and 16, 20 and X, what is the relation? 10 into 16 is equal to 20 into X. So X should be 8. Option 3. Next. So here in the given figure, BD and CD are the angle bisectors of angle ABC and angle ACE. In this case, here angle BAC is 44 degrees. What about this angle? 22, half, and ide half. Okay, this should be half. 22. Type 2. Angle ACD 58 kadandi. If it is 58, this should also be 58. Then the total angle is 116. Then this should be 64. Ikkada total angle entandi? 64, 58. 122 122 అంటే ఇది ఎంత అవ్వాలి ఏమండి? ఏబిసి మొత్తం యాంగిల్ అడిగాడా? జస్ట్ ఏబిసి యాంగిల్, ఈ యాంగిల్ అడిగాడు. దేర్ ఫోర్ 44, 64, 108 అంటే ఇంకా 72. ఆప్షన్ 4. CD is angle bisector, that's why we have taken both the angles as 58. If the numbers 12085, 169, 14, 138, 41 divided by a greatest number A, they leaves a remainder B. What is the sum of A and B together? ఇలా సేమ్ రిమైండర్ రావాలి అంటే take the differences. What is the difference here? 4000, 829, 4829. What is the difference here? 3000, 73. Find the HCF of these two. 3073 4829 one time. Remainder is 657 3073 4 times అండి, 4 times కూడా అవ్వట్లేదా? 4 times 3024 49 49 49 ఎన్ని టైమ్స్? 49 one time, 49 one time 266 క్యాన్సిల్ అవుతుందా? 70 తప్పు వేసామా? $1756 right, one time 1756, that is 1317 అండి. 1317 అగైన్ వన్ టైం. ఇలా చేసుకుంటూ పోతే తెల్లారిపోతుంది. 439 cancels this exactly 3 times. So our HCF should be 439. That is a number which when divides the given numbers gives same remainder. So మనం డివైడ్ చేయాల్సిన నెంబర్ దేంతోనండి? 439 should be A. If we divide the given numbers with 439, what will be the remainder? చూడండి ఎక్కడైనా. You know 439 how many times? 13841 చెక్ చేయండి. 3 times ఎంత అయింది అది మనకి? 1317 అంటే 1317 అంటే ఇంకెంత మిగిలిందండి మనకి? 671. అగైన్ 439 వన్ టైం. 439 వన్ టైం గివ్స్ 232. 232 will be the remainder. So this is B. He is asking for the value of A plus B. 671 option 3. కొంచెం టైం టేకింగ్. How many numbers are there from 100 to 650 which are completely divisible by 5 or 12 or both? ఒక మెథడ్ చెప్తాను దీనికి, నార్మల్ మెథడే, ఏం లేదు. సో ఇఫ్ హీ ఆస్క్డ్ ఫ్రమ్ 1 to 650 ఏం చేయాలండి? రూల్, వాట్ ఈస్ ద రూల్? 5తో డివైడ్ చేసుకుని ఎన్ని ఉంటాయో చూడాలి యాక్చువల్లీ. బట్ హీ ఈజ్ ఆస్కింగ్ ఫర్ ఫ్రమ్ 100 to 650. సో ఫ్రమ్ 1 to 99, from 100 to 650, sorry, from 1 to 650 చూడండి, from 1 to 650 we should eliminate 1 to 99, then we will get 100 to 650, అంతే కదండి. సో డివైడ్ దిస్ విత్ 5 for multiples of 5. 130. Divide this with 5 for multiples of 5. 5 19. So minus చేయాలండి, then we will get that is 111. What about 12 multiples? Divide this with 12. 54 and divide this with 12. 8 times minus, that is 46. So you know n of A union B is equal to n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. So we should eliminate the common values. So what is the multiple of both 5 and 12? 60. So divide this with 60, we will get 10. Divide this with 60, we will get 1, that is 9. ఎంతండి? 148. ఆప్షన్ 1. ఫ్రమ్ 1 to 650 అడుగుంటే ఏం చేసేవాళ్ళు? ఫస్ట్ రోనే, ఓన్లీ ఫస్ట్ రో, ప్లస్ అండ్ మైనస్. TSE of a cuboid is 24 square centimeter and edge of a cube is tripled. Then the surface area becomes, what is the formula for surface area of a cube? 6a square. 6a square. Cuboid. Cuboid is 24 square centimeter. Each edge of cuboid is tripled. Actually 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. That is the rule. If it is tripled, you will get 9, isn't it? So 9 will be the common. So the total surface area will be multiplied by 9. 24 9s are 216. ఇక్కడ 9 వస్తుంది, ఇక్కడ 9 వస్తుంది, ఇక్కడ 9 వస్తుంది. 3 into 3 కదండి. సో 9 బయటకు వచ్చేస్తే ఒరిజినల్ వాల్యూ 24, 9 24s are 216. The cost price of mobile 8,000 less than the cost price of laptop. Mobile, laptop, and the cost price of watch is less than the mobile. Laptop, mobile, watch. If the cost price of laptop is 7:4, ante kada? If the cost price of laptop is 7/4 of cost price of watch, what is the ratio of the cost price of laptop, watch and mobile? Laptop, watch and third one mobile. So our answer should be 7:4 something. Only one option is there. Actually he is asking for laptop, next watch, third one mobile. 7:, ఇలాంటివి దొరికితే ఎంత ఆనందం. A boat covers a distance by downstream in 6 hours, covers the same distance by upstream in 10 hours. Downstream in hours andi 6 hours, upstream 10 hours. If hours, then what will be the ratio of speeds? 5:3. Okay. The time taken by the boat covers 260 km in downstream if the speed of the stream is decreased by 25%. Speed of the stream is decreased by 20, then the time is 14. What is the speed here? What is the speed here? 19. 14 ones, 14 nines. 19 is the speed. That is downstream speed after decreasing the speed of the stream by 25%, not the original downstream speed. So actually if the downstream speed is 5 and upstream speed is 3, what may be the individual parts of speed of a boat and stream? 4 and, understood or not? 4 and 1. This is boat, this is stream. So for example, if the speed of stream is decreased by 25%, means it becomes 0.75. 0.75. Then downstream speed will be 4.75, which is now equal to 19. So this is 4 times. Then what will be the original speed of the boat in still water? 16. Option 4. Ratio of percentage of Shivam Neelima is 4:3. Shivam, Neelima, 4:3. After 8 years, the ratio of their ages will be 5:4. One part. So that one part is equal to 8 years. Then the present age of Shivam will be 30 to 24. Karunya is 10 years younger than Shivam. So Karunya's age will be 22. And the present age of Tanya is 25% more than Neelima. 6. 30. That is Tanya, 30. Find the present age of Karunya and Tanya. 20 to 30. Option 2. Next. Sin 17 plus sin 43 plus sin A equal to 0. And angle A is fourth quadrant, then what is the value of A? You know the formula of sin C plus sin D? Sin C plus sin D is equal to 2 sin C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2. For our convenience, let us consider this as C and this as D. Okay? So 2 sin C plus D by 2, 60 by 2, 30, C minus D by 2, sin 26 by 2, 13, which is equal plus sin A equal to 0. This is 1, isn't it? So sin 13. So sin A is equal to minus sin 13, isn't it? In place of this, we can write, so as the angle is in fourth quadrant, we can write it as sin 270, sin not sin. This should be cos cos 270 plus 13 ఎంత అండి? 283. ఒక పని చేద్దాం. ఏముందండి? ఎస్, ఇక్కడ మనం రాసిన తప్పు. ఎస్, దిస్ ఈజ్ cos 13. So this should be cos 13. Then we can write it as sin 270 plus 13. Sin 270 plus 13 gives minus cos 13. Therefore, if we compare the values, A is equal to 283. Option 2. Next, ABC together can start the business with the total investment of A and C is 16,000 and B's initial investment is 7,200. After 4 months, C withdraws 25% of his initial investment and B added 1,800 at the end of the year. The profit received by ABC in the ratio of 16, 21, 20. A, B, C. B's ఇన్వెస్ట్మెంట్ ఎలా ఉందండి? 7,200 into 4, 9,000 into 8. అవునా? Because after 4 months he added 1,800 extra. What about A and C? Actually the sum of the investments is 16,000. Let us consider the investment of A is simply X. 12. So here, what is the profit ratio? 16, 21, 20. So the ratio between these two is nothing but 16:21. So that is, we can cancel 4, isn't it? 4 3 times, 4 2 times. So 3x by, we can cancel 3 also. 3 2400 times, 3 3000 times. Therefore x by 2004 plus 6000, 8400 is equal to 16 by 21. 21 cancels this for 4 times. Therefore x equal to 6400. Understood or not? If x is 6400, what about the investment of C? 9600. Isn't it? 9600. Then what is the difference between them? 3200. Option 1. క్యాన్సిలేషన్ చేసేటప్పుడు రెండిట్లోనూ క్యాన్సిల్ చేయాలి ఒకేసారి. ఇఫ్ ఏ సిలిండర్ ఆఫ్ రేడియస్, ఆల్రెడీ చేస్తాం ఇలాంటి క్వశ్చన్స్. ఇఫ్ ఏ సిలిండర్ ఆఫ్ రేడియస్ 4.2 meters and height 0.08 meter is melted and recast into 4900 spherical balls, then what is the radius of the ball? Means the volume of the cylinder must be equal to the total volume of all the 4900 spheres. So that is pi r square, that is 42 by 10 into 42 by 10 into height is 8 by 100, isn't it? Which is equal to 4900 into 4 by 3 pi r cube. Here pi and pi are cancelled. 7 cancels 7 times, 7 cancels 6 times. This 7 cancels 6 times. This 4 cancels 2 times. 2 3s are 6. Then it will become 6 cube. This is 100. This is 100. This 100 comes here. 100 cube. 6 cube by 100 cube. So obviously R is equal to 6 by 100. Nothing but 0.06. Next, there are 7 members in the group A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and the average age of these 7 members is 16 1 by 7 years. Sum of the ages of A and F is 6 years more than C. C is 31 years elder than G, so and so. What is the sum? This is average. What is the sum? Into 7. Entandi? 103 ah? 113. 113. So A plus B plus C plus D plus E plus equal to 113. Here it is given that sum of the years of A and F is 6 years more than C. In place of A and F, we can write 6 plus C. C is 31 years elder than G, means C is 31 years elder than G, means G is 31 years younger than C, means C minus 31. In place of, we can write C minus 31. If the sum of the ages of E and D is E, in place of E and D, we can write C minus 38. And the present age of B is 32. This is 32. And C itself. What about సరిపోయింది కదండి, ఇంక అంతా అయిపోయింది. 113. సో దిస్ 38 cancels this 4C equal to 144. Then C is 36. C is 36. Then find the average of C and G. What is the relation between C and G? C equal to G plus 31, isn't it? Then G is 5. G is 5. Then what is the average of C and G? 41 by 2. 20.5. Option 4. We should convert each and everything in terms of C. Next, x minus 2, x plus p, x minus 3 are the factors of 2x cube plus ax square plus 17x minus b, then the value of p is, do you know the general form of a quadratic equation if alpha and beta are the roots? x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta. That is quadratic expression. What about the general form of a cubic expression? X cube minus alpha plus beta plus gamma into x square plus alpha beta, beta gamma, gamma alpha into x minus alpha beta gamma. Understood or not? But here there should not be any coefficient. The coefficient of x cube should be 1. If we divide that with the 2, we will get x cube plus a by 2 x square, a by 2 x square plus 17 by 2 x minus b by 2. If an expression is divided by x minus a, then we can say that the a is the factor of that expression, isn't it? In the same manner, here 2 minus p and 3 are the roots or factors of that cubic equation. So what is the value of alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha? 17 by 2. So alpha beta is minus 2p, beta gamma is minus. In place of p, I am considering a. I will explain you why I am taking a in place of p. Okay, that is minus 2a minus 3a plus 6 equal to 17 by 2. That is minus 5a is equal to 5 by 2, where a is equal to minus 1 by 2, isn't it? If a is minus 1 by 2, the factor will be x plus 1 by 2. Then what is p? 1 by 2, 0.5, option 4. నేను ఇక్కడ p తీసుకుని ఉంటే మీరు p ఈక్వల్ టు మైనస్ 1 by 2 ఆన్సర్ పెడతారు. అవునండి, అందుకని ఇక్కడ ఏ బిల్తోటి మనకు సంబంధం ఏం లేదు. Total cost price of a table and chair 6,000. A shopkeeper sold the table and chair at a profit of 25% and 15% respectively. If the total profit earned by the shopkeeper is 1260, then find the cost price of the chair and adiginappudu. This can be done mixture and allegation method. The table and chair 25% profit, 15% profit. Here the total profit is given in terms of a figure, not in terms of percentage. దాన్ని పర్సంటేజ్గానైనా కన్వర్ట్ చేయాలి, అదర్వైజ్ దీన్ని వాల్యూస్గానైనా కన్వర్ట్ చేయాలి. సో ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ 1260 ఈజ్ వాట్ పర్సంటేజ్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ వన్? ఎంతండి? 21% అండి, 21%. డిఫరెన్స్ ఈజ్ 6, డిఫరెన్స్ ఈజ్ 4. సో దిస్ షుడ్ బి ఇన్ ద రేషియో 6:4, మీన్స్ ఈచ్ పార్ట్ 600, isn't it? 10 parts 6,000, each part 600. He is asking for the price of chair 2,400. The other method is finding the 25% of 6,000, 1,500. Finding the 15% of 6,000, 15. What is the 15% of 6? That is 900. What is the average price? 1260. Difference is 360. Difference is 240. So total 600 parts, each part 10. Therefore this should be 2,400, 3,600. Either convert all the values into figures or all the values into percentages. The interest earned when x plus 4000 is invested in a simple interest scheme at the rate of 15% per annum for 5 years is x plus 960, find the value of x. 15% per annum for 5 years means 75%, isn't it? What is 75% of x? That is 3x by 4, isn't it? 75% of x means 3/4 of x. What is 75% of this? 3/4 of that is 3000, isn't it? Which is equal to, now the interest is x plus 960. Therefore, x by 4 is equal to, isn't it? X by 4 is equal to 2040. Then x equal to 4160. Sorry, 8160. Option 3. Next, a plus b plus c is 15, ab plus bc plus ac is 74. Then what is 1 by 2 into a plus b plus c? This is the formula for aq plus bq plus cq minus 3abc. For the same formula, we have 3 more alternate formulas. Which formula is useful here? That is a plus b plus c into a plus b plus c whole square minus 3 into ab plus bc plus ca. Both are same. The value of this will be equal to the value of this. Then 15 into 15 square 225 minus 3 into 74 222 3 40 3 15s. Next, the total population of A is 2800 less than the total population of B, which is 6000 less than the total population of C. If the population of A is increased by 8000 and the population of C and A is equal, and find the population of B అని అడిగాడు. చూడండి, A, B, C. The total population of A is 2800 less than B, which is 6000 less than C. For example, if it is x, this will be x minus 6000 and this will be x minus 8800, isn't it? If it is increased by 8000 means x minus 800, which is equal to the population of C and A are equal. If it is like this, can we find the value of x? Can't be determined. Option 4. In trapezium PQRS, PQ parallel to SR, PQ parallel to SR, PQ is 10, PQ, if this is 8, then the length of the segment joining the points of the diagonals, sorry, this is the length line segment joining the midpoints of the diagonals. What is the formula? Half difference between these two. Answer is 1, option 4. చెప్పాను ఫార్ములా, నోట్స్ తీస్తే కనబడుతుంది. సైడ్స్కి మిడ్ పాయింట్స్ ఇచ్చినప్పుడు చెప్పాను, డయాగ్నల్స్కి మిడ్ పాయింట్స్ ఇచ్చినప్పుడు చెప్పాను. దట్స్ ఆల్.